Titingnan natin yung laman ng Arcam EB receiver EBR 250 model. Siguro nasa $1,600 nung unang labas nito, way back 2000, around 2006 I think, kung hindi ko nagkakamali. Nasadahan natin, wala pa siyang HDMI. So this is consider a higher end brand, premium brand, original from United Kingdom. At titingnan natin yung loob. Yan. May problema siya, nag-trip. So bali nag-trip yung relay. So di natin alam kung saan ang problema dito, kasi napaka angas ng pyesa nito. Look at that. Ginamit nila yung mga WIMA capacitor. See? Wala pa siyang HDMI board. So hindi siya typical yung mga Yamaha Onkyo na brand. Ang laki ng around 4 inches yung height ng transformer. 1,000 I think 1,200 watts rated. See, audiophile. This is an audiophile grade EB receiver. Walang binatbat yung mga ordinary nating mga local amplifier dyan kung tumunog to. So okay, this unit can compete with integrated amplifier in terms of musicality. So high grade din yung analog, digital to analog converter nito. Arcam, but Arcam now already owned by GBL. So okay.